checked in at the Carson River yesterday at the campground, and the spot said open. So we paid for 2 nights, and last night at around 9:30, some guy was like, I reserved this for 3 days. We already set up, it's pitch black outside. So he's like, I'll go to one of the other spots, but you guys have to trade with me. So we got up this morning and just packed up. We didn't want to pack up twice. Set up and pack up twice there. So we just came out, drove the 11 so miles back to Caples, and got our spot that we usually get up high away from people. The lakes look nice. So we're gonna lake fish today, and then tomorrow we're gonna go drive down to Markleyville, back to the Carson River, do some river fishing. So much snow still. So this is gonna be home for 3 nights instead of 2 nights on the river, 2 nights at the lake. Kind of shitty. We're exhausted setting up again, but hopefully we catch some fatties today for dinner. Nick hates this spot because you have to carry everything up this hill, but it's so pretty just for that view. Kind of shitty. And we couldn't find the camp host. We tried to check in with them yesterday. There was nobody there, so the spot said opened. We set up. And what's stupid about him saying, I checked online, it's at a certain time in the year, it's first come, first serve. So I don't know how he reserved it, because when I looked, it said first come, first serve, like it is here at Caples. What are you gonna do? Kind of fucks up our trip a little bit with river fishing, but the lake makes up for it. Is it a floater? Looks a little shallow out here, but we're gonna try our luck on some shade. No fish today, not even a bite. We'll try tomorrow. The views at night make up for it, though. Getting hit by like the smallest fish ever on worms. I'm gonna let him take it. He's got it? All right. Within a second of casting, we got these little tiny ones. Little tiny trout. You're gonna have to cut the line? He choked it? Aw. All right, let me get this guy off. dinks are still in my worms, man. Swim away. Are you sure you popped off? Maybe he's a dink. You have eggs on that one too, huh? School's in town, Nick. So we got 4 fish in 2 hours. We're gonna go back to camp and make some lunch and try a different spot. Did you have fun, Nikki? Mm-hmm. Yeah? He stuck with the power bait, didn't catch shit. The worms is where it's at, but they were all dinks. It got hot real fast. It feels good though. Not even fishing, or you think you lost it reeling it in? No worm on that one. At least we got some fish this trip. Nick caught one, lost one in the river. 4 at Caples. Well, we were definitely overconfident driving up, finding out that they just stocked. We said we were definitely going to catch fish. We did catch some fish. None were keepers. All under, I'd say 10, 11 inches. Little tiny dinks. Not the best luck we've had at Caples, but it was sure beautiful up there. As always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and check back for our next fishing vid.